भारत माता की। भारत माता की। Sisters and brothers of Kerala, I am delighted to be in Palakkad and address my first rally in the state from here. The people of Palakkad have had a close bond with our party. Today, I have come among you to seek your blessings for the BJP in the upcoming state elections. I have come to you with a vision that is refreshingly different from the current situation in Kerala. Over the last few years, the politics of Kerala is seeing a major shift. This shift is being driven by the aspiration of the youth, especially the first-time voter in the state. The first-time voter of Kerala is disappointed with LDF and UDF. For many years, the worst-kept secret of Kerala politics was the friendly agreement of UDF and LDF. Now, the first time voter of Kerala is asking, what is this match fixing? 5 years, one loots. 5 years, the other loots. People are seeing how UDF and LDF misled people. In West Bengal, Congress and left are one. Congress and left were partners in UPA 1 in Delhi. The left continue to give issue-based support to UPA 2, but here in Kerala, during the election, they put allegations, and after coming to power, they never act on it. Their behind the scene games are now exposed. About UDF and LDF, the youth of Kerala is saying different name, working same, but have their marked areas for making money. UDF has not even spared the rays of the sun. About LDF, it can be said, Judas betrayed Lord Christ for a few pieces of silver. LDF has betrayed Kerala for a few pieces of gold. Friends, the politics of our nation has been affected by 5 diseases. They are corruption, casteism, communalism, cronyism, and when I say cronyism, which includes nepotism and dynasty politics. And 5th, criminalization. And the root cause of this disease is the super disease of vote bank politics. UDF and LDF are masters at such vote bank politics. The young and first-time voter of Kerala is seeing how both alliances are bowing to regressive elements of society. It is clear the UDF and LDF have two aims. Further, vote bank politics, fill pockets. This comfortable agreement is all set to be rejected. The BJP's vision for Kerala is forward-looking and aspirational. That is why the youth of the state, the professional communities across the state are openly supporting BJP. Across India too, this trend is being seen. People from all walks of life are able to connect with the BJP's vision for India's growth. Take the example of your candidate, Metro Man Sridharanji. Everyone wants well-educated people to enter politics. But thanks to Metro Man Sridharanji, I am seeing something for the first time. A man who achieved so much in life, a man who has done excellent work to make India modern and improve connectivity, a man who is admired by all sections of society. He is a proud son of Kerala. He had devoted himself for Kerala's progress. If he wanted only power, he could have got it even 20 years ago. Yet, as a true son of Kerala, he thought beyond power. He knew he would be attacked, but he stayed firm on his commitment to Kerala. He is an inspiration for all, especially for professionals. I want to tell the people of Kerala, in BJP, you have a party that ensures growth based on Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas. In BJP, you have a party whose focus is to improve your ease of living. The high number of roadblocks by UDF and LDF has made the speed of development slower. That is why the time has come for fast development in Kerala, which BJP promises. By fast, what I mean is F for fisheries and fertilizers, A for agriculture and Ayurveda, S for skill development and social justice, T for tourism and technology. Friends, one of the earliest decisions of our government after re-election in 2019 was to create a separate ministry for fisheries. The aim was to ensure holistic development of the fisheries sector. The hard-working fishermen of India have had enough of words and assurance. They want concrete action that improve their lives. Our government has improved the sector by integrating it with latest technology and more credit avenues. Fishermen have access to Kisan credit cards. The government is working on upgrading ports and harbor facilities. We will also address your problems relating to the fertilizer sector. Friends, as I have said earlier, the youth of Kerala want change. BJP assured that change. Thus, when you vote on the 6th, vote for good governance and development. Vote for government that guarantees peace and prosperity. Vote for BJP. Thank you for joining this rally in large numbers. Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki!